Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Scandinavian design ideas and the demands of upscale mobile living are compellingly combined in the 2026 Volvo Minimalist Luxury Motorhome. In order to create a calm and elegant travel atmosphere, this idea places a high value on understated elegance, utilitarian simplicity, and the integration of quality materials. The design language would probably follow Volvo's well-established aesthetic of simple lines, balanced proportions, and an emphasis on human-centric practicality, eschewing ostentation. The 2026 Volvo Minimalist Luxury Motorhome's exterior would probably have a sleek design free of unnecessary adornment. Large, flush-fitting windows would provide unhindered views of the surroundings and optimize natural light in the living area. The color scheme would probably skew toward subdued, elegant hues that convey a feeling of serene, subtle luxury. Longevity and environmental awareness would be emphasized by the seamless integration of premium, long-lasting materials, possibly with sustainable components, into the external construction. The interior design would be the epitome of luxury minimalism. The design would be carefully thought out to maximize movement and space, encouraging a feeling of calm and openness. A tactile and aesthetically pleasing space would be produced by using high-quality natural materials, such as light-toned woods, fine textiles, and delicately textured surfaces. Form and function would be carefully considered in the design of the furniture, which would probably have simple lines and be flexible to accommodate different needs. Smart home technology would be subtly but thoroughly integrated, improving ease without detracting from the basic design. With integrated, high-end appliances and plenty of neatly hidden storage, the motorhome's kitchen would probably be a picture of subtle elegance. Comfort and tranquility would be given first priority in the sleeping area, with luxurious bedding and a layout that encourages sound sleep. The bathroom would maintain the minimalist luxury motif by employing premium fixtures and finishes in a neat and practical design. Natural and diffused lighting would be emphasized throughout the design to produce a serene and welcoming ambience. In terms of performance, the 2026 Volvo Minimalist Luxury Motorhome would probably put an emphasis on a comfortable and seamless driving experience, which would be consistent with Volvo's reputation for high technical standards and safety. In keeping with changing sustainability objectives, a strong yet efficient drivetrain would be anticipated, maybe combining electric or hybrid technology. The seamless integration of cutting-edge driver assistance technologies would improve navigational ease and safety. The 2026 Volvo Minimalist Luxury Motorhome is essentially a mobile retreat where sophisticated style satisfies the needs of upscale travel. It marks a shift away from blatantly extravagant designs and toward a human-centered approach to mobile living, the beauty of simplicity, and the caliber of materials. This motorhome offers a distinctively elegant way to travel the world and would appeal to people who value elegant design, superior functionality, and a peaceful setting.